The Toyota 4Runner has been a go-to SUV for adventure seekers, but let's be honest, it was long overdue for a major update. The boxy design, old-school V6, and ancient interior tech were starting to feel, well, a bit prehistoric. But Toyota finally listened, and now we have the all-new 2025 4Runner Limited, blending rugged capability with modern luxury. The 5th-gen 4Runner had a long run, but now it's time for the all-new 6th-gen. Built on the latest Tacoma platform, it brings fresh features while keeping its rugged style intact. First things first, the design. The 4Runner keeps its signature tough stance, but it's sharper, more refined, and now rides on the TNGA-F platform, the same one underpinning the new Tacoma and Land Cruiser. The front grille is sleek, LED headlights are sharper, and the lines feel more aerodynamic while still looking aggressive. Under the hood, the old V6 is gone. Instead, Toyota's turbocharged 2.4-liter I-Force engine steps in, pushing out 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. More power, better fuel efficiency, exactly what we needed. And yes, there's a hybrid version called the I-Force Max, cranking out 326 horsepower with even better torque for off-road adventures. But let's talk about comfort, because a limited badge means more than just good looks. It isn't just an off-road warrior, it's finally a true luxury SUV. Toyota gave it a modern, high-end interior with premium leather, a 14-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital gauge cluster. That said, no more outdated tech. Plus, heated and ventilated seats come standard, and the JBL audio system? Crisp and powerful. And for the road trippers, the 4Runner's third-row option is actually spacious, making it a real family-friendly choice. Cargo space is still solid, and the power liftgate adds convenience. Driving this thing feels smoother than ever. The multi-link rear suspension makes handling way better, and for off-road enthusiasts, Toyota's Crawl Control and Multi-Terrain Select are here to help conquer any trail. Full-time four-wheel drive is standard on the Limited, so whether it's city streets or rocky paths, it's got you covered. Of course, Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera for those tricky parking spots. The price? Expect the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Limited to start around $55,000, with fully loaded models reaching $66,000 plus depending on options. So, does the 2025 4Runner live up to the hype? With modern tech, improved power, and real luxury, it just might be the best upgrade yet. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the best new rides.